Removing cell borders in Excel is quick and can be done in a few different ways. So first you need to select the cells that have the borders you want to remove, and then go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon, and in the Found group, click the small arrow next to the border icons and select No Border from the drop down menu. And here you can easily remove cell border in Excel. So in the second method, if you want to completely reset the cells and don't mind removing other formatting like background colors or bold text along with the border, for this you need to select the cells and then go to the Home tab and look all the way to the right for the editing group. Click on that and select the clear and click on the clear formats, and here it is. So in the third method, if you prefer using keyboard, you can strip all borders from a selected range instantly. For this you need to select the border and now press the Ctrl Shift and underscore key all together. If you are looking for the completely blank white background without the default Excel painted gray lines, for this you need to click on the View tab on the ribbon, and in the Show group you need to uncheck the box next to the grid lines, and here you can see that. So this way you can easily remove cell border in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.